extra virgin olive oil. Ciao a tutti!
Ciao a tutti,
Ciao,
amiche.
ciao!
Ciao.
Siamo molto contenti. We're so happy today because we're showing you how to make. Mami, che facciamo oggi?
Facciamo la pasta con l'aglio che si chiama pasta alla campagna.
Oh,
Quando andiamo a raccogliere le olive,
when we went to pick up the olives,
facciamo tutti insieme, allora
the whole family was together.
facciamo questa pasta così che
We
si fa
made
col
this
pomodoro,
pasta,
con l'aglio,
which is made with tomatoes, garlic,
col basilico
basil,
e l'olio di oliva.
e il sale. The water is boiling. Mami, che fai?
Prima di tutto mettiamo i pomodori nell'acqua bollente
And you put the tomatoes in the boiling water
per 5 minuti.
for 5 minutes. So now we're grinding the garlic and the sea salt. And the reason you put the sea salt is because it makes the grinding easier. Okay, now this is a mortar that my family had for, I believe, almost or over 50 years. We brought it from Sicily and we still have it. And now we're gonna put some fresh basil. And you notice that everything we do is fresh? That is the key of the Italian cuisine, is using fresh ingredients. Can you see how the skin is coming out? It's ready to peel, so we're gonna drain the water and start peeling them. Wow! We finished peeling the tomatoes and now we're taking that section out. Okay, here. Dammelo, mamma. Benissimo.
Ok.
Prende l'altro.
Ok.
Oh, the smell. Mami, il profumo è incredibile,
Buonissimo, molto buono.
So what we did, so go ahead, mommy. We're gonna put some olive oil. And what we did is, as we were, grinding, we kept moving it to this container because the whole thing didn't fit there. Ooh, the water is boiling and we are ready to put the papa beans. Busiate pasta is made with grain grown in Sicily. Okay, so we turn the stove off. We're gonna put some cold water, that way it stops cooking, and we are gonna drain the pasta. We're gonna mix some of the tomato sauce in here, and the reason we do that is to keep the pasta from sticking. Okay, you just don't have to put all the sauce, just a little bit to keep it from sticking. Ooh, so now we're gonna put a little bit in here. Look at that. Ooh, delicious. And we're gonna put just a little bit on top. You don't wanna put too much because remember it has garlic. Do you know what that means? That means delicious. And it is delicious.